Masterstro. In this video, we will tell you how to use the calculator bank fixed deposit versus debt mutual fund. This is a very good calculator where you can show the tax benefit of investing in debt mutual funds versus bank fixed deposit. Let's say the client wants to invest 10 lakh rupees and the investment period is for 5 years. The expected return from fixed deposit is 6%, and in debt fund also you, let us say, take the same return. Assumed inflation rate for indexation you can take at 3%. This is the rate which is decided by Government of India every year, which is called the indexation rate. Investor is in the 30% tax bracket, and the long-term capital gain tax rate for debt mutual fund currently is 20% after 3 years. You can add the name of the client, let's say dummy client. You can display benefit of debt funds versus fixed deposits, and you can add suggested schemes for investment as per your choice. Once you calculate, the report will open up which you can download, and this report you can send to the client through WhatsApp or email, and it shows that bank FD versus mutual fund debt comparison for dummy client. If you look at this post-tax IRR here, it says that in fixed deposit the client's net return is 4.34%, whereas in debt mutual fund it is 5.43%. This is a very powerful calculator, and you are expected to get more business if you share such kind of reports with the client. It also incorporates comparison between bank fixed deposits or company fixed deposits versus debt mutual fund on these parameters. Hope you like it. If you have any question, you can always call our number 988 38 18 627. Thank you so much.